how to add donation sticker on TikTok in 2022. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add donation sticker on TikTok, which can help you donate or raise money for the non-profit organization. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, we're going to open the TikTok application. Afterwards, we are going to tap on that plus icon at the bottom of the screen. After doing so, we are going to upload some video from the gallery, or we are going to create some video. As I've chosen this video, I would select it. Where in the stickers option at the bottom of the screen, I would simply tap on it. Afterwards, I would select the non-profit or sport non-profit or donation sticker option. Afterwards, I'm going to select one option or one or non-profit organization amongst the list, or search any organization I want to donate the money to. For example, I want to donate to Act to Change. So what I would do is, but if I tap on this bar, a set duration would appear through which I can put a time. So for how many seconds this bar is going to appear. After that, I can put a sound effect, I can put a transition effect, text and stickers to my video. After doing that, I would press on that and I can eventually post it on my TikTok ID. So this was it, everybody. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe my video. Thank you.